Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix no active device used for your location. You can check your settings in Find My iPhone. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go through the settings. So guys, here on your settings, first thing that you will do is just simply go to the Wi-Fi and make sure you have a strong internet connection. And another one, just simply go for the general. And after that, just simply go for the software update and make sure to download the updates and make sure you are running the latest version. Another one is just simply go back through the settings. And after that, just simply scroll down a little bit. Just simply go through the privacy and security. And after that, just simply go for the location services. And from here, just simply turn off the location services and just simply turn it back on. And then go to the share my location. And from here, just simply select Find My iPhone and make sure to turn this off and just simply sign in into your account and turn it on back in. And after that, just simply restart your iPhone and just simply do the same process and you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. See ya.